What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful BMW iX2 xDrive30 M Sport. Now take a look, guys, at this beautiful color in blue. Spectacular, man. I love how this color looks. Let's take a walk around to show you how sporty and aggressive looking this car is. Now this is a full electric car, as you can see. I love it, man. Very sharp looking lights at the rear. We'll talk about all the charging covers later in a while more. But before that, let's show you guys how this car beautifully looks on the exterior. Now, let's take a look at the lights. These are your daytime running lights that we have right here. Here and also here will light up during your driving time, but your main headlights are in between these lights, these lines and lines that we have right there. Now at the bottom right here you have your bumper, which has a cut through where air can flow through. Spectacular. You have your amazing kidney grille, designed beautifully to the max as possible. Now as you can see here, normally there will be a daytime running light that will pop up around the ring here, so it's fantastic. Now you get your 360 camera up here as well, also nice. I love the BMW badging that is on the car, matching the blue. Very beautiful. Your number plate holder will be located here. You get your cooling purposes down here. Now those will actually open up for air to go through to cool down the battery. You get your radar sensors. Sensors are all over the place. You got here, and also you got one more here also as well. So it's fantastic. Now just take a look at the front hood. I love how that angle comes in. It's like deep like that, and also this particular lines in the center, right, makes it look super sporty and very much aggressive indeed. Just check that out, man, dude. Fantastic. Oh man, I love it. So let's move down to the wheels, shall we? The wheels right here are Michelin tires. Size of the tires are 245 40 R20. So let's take a closer look. 245 40 R20. Beautiful solid disc brake. I love the blue M calipers that we have right there. The M badging on the wheels. This two-tone finish where it's like black, slightly greyish actually, and the silver that we have happening right there. So it's stunning. I love it. Michelin tires. The M badging at the side here. Lovely. Very nice. And I love how they have these black finishes on the car. So there's no chrome, as you can see, besides the M badging over there. As you can see from the front, all this black stuff, right? This gloss black finishes, and then we also have the gloss black finish on the side mirrors all the way up, center, all the way up, come back down here. So it's all in black. Now let's open up the car doors to show you. Amazing how the doors actually open up. Now let's take a look at the inside. Harman Kardon sound system, fantastic. Door handles to open up right here. You get your window adjustments here. This amazing handle to hold on to. Compartment storage down here. Amazing design over here with the brown interior. And it's two-tone finish, guys. Check it out. All these. Another texture here. I'm not sure if you can see it, guys, but yeah, there's this like a square shaped design, man. This XX stuff going on. Beautiful. So take a look at the inside. Now, amazing seats. I can't wait to sit inside here to feel what is it like, but I love the finishing texture of these seats. Super comfortable. I feel like it's like damn futuristic, man. So you got your airbags also here. I love how the words are there. So air vents to adjust the air speed. It's amazing how they have two facing right here. So no side plates, but the carpet is cool. Let's have a seat on the inside to show you guys what you will be looking at. So comfortably sitting on the inside, you got this black top here, you got your stitching here, and then you got this XXX finish right here. I'm very sure the camera is able to spot this because I can see it. Really nice. Again, silver finish right here, beautiful. You got other textures right here that are a bit different. You know, very nice. Futuristic. You got another air vent right here. So there's 1, 2, there's 3. Amazing. So you can even turn off the fan if you wish to stop the air from coming in if it's too fast. You got your max, you got your rear for the demister, right? Because you don't want the glass to fog up. Screen right here. Now I believe you can go back and you can change a lot of stuff if you need to, but we are not going to get to that today. But yeah, in the future we might. Amazing place for you to charge your phone wirelessly. I love these lightings that we have around here. Very welcoming, man. Now, amazing. I like how they have this partition stuff happening here. Can block some stuff, you know, can hold. Put your phone in and it will hold your phone tight, so kind of cool. cup holders that we located down here. You get your 12-volt socket right here. You got your Type-C, two of them right here. Fantastic. I love it. Speakers up there, as I mentioned. Frameless mirrors up here, and you got your SOS call button for emergencies up there. You got your lightings and your passenger airbag. Very nice texture at the top, man, dude. Finishing is awesome. Very nice indeed. So you got this, and you got your light popping up right there. Fantastic. Let's close that. Now let's take a look on this side. This is me not adjusting the front seats just yet, but I'm already comfortable enough to be sitting here. Seat adjustments are down here if you wish to adjust. Fantastic. Oh, yeah. Glove compartment. Check that out. Space. Awesome. I love the brown finish, you know, that we have right here. So it's brown and then there's black, there's silver right here. So let's check out the center. The gears, the start stop button, hazard light, parking, auto parking there with your camera, I believe. These are your driving modes. I believe this should be your distance between you and the front car, or either lane keeping assist. Auto hold, next play button, pause for, mute, and also volume up, volume down. Yeah, kind of cool. So I'm not sure what this is for, but yeah, there we go. So you press that, this opens up. Nice, cool. Compartment storage right there. Fantastic. So very nice indeed. Now let's move to the rear seat. But before that, wait a minute. Brown seat, right? Super cool. Black seat belt. Fantastic. So let's take a look at the rear. It's open up, but before we get right to the rear seats, let's check out the wheels that we have. So these are Michelin tires, 245/40 R20. So it's beautiful indeed. You get your solid disc brakes for the rear, your blue calipers right there, blue BMW logo, M wording on the wheels. Fantastic design. I love the two-tone. Once again, you got some grey, got some silver. Very nice indeed. Let's move to the doors. You got your Harman Kardon speaker right here. You got your door opening right here. Handle to hold. You also have your opening up of the doors and closing. Two-tone once again. You got the brown, you got the black, and you got this XXX finishing on here as well. Super cool. You have your stitching. Fantastic. Beautiful. Now check out the interior. The interior has this beautiful brown finish all over the place. You know, they got this net right here. Let's take a seat on the inside to feel what is it like. So this is me sitting comfortably on the inside. Like I mentioned earlier, the seats in front were not adjusted. Comfortably sitting at the front. This is me sitting at the side. So very nice indeed. I love the brown finish on the inside. Looks super cool. You get your seat belts, which are a bit hidden at the back because can actually go all the way in, but check out the color, man. Black and brown, so the tone is fantastic. So down here, cup holders for you to keep your cups, of course. Very nice and easy to move, not so jammed up. And you get your air vents, Type-C charging too, compartment storage down there. So very well thought out. I like how it is, very clean. Now let's check out the front top lights here. Let's move to the center. Check out the center view that the rear passenger has. So it's beautiful, man. Really beautiful. Me sitting in the center, headroom is good, and left, right, so very nice. Love the finishing of the seats. You got some, holes on the seats. You got this finishing, solid head to be able to adjust. Let's open up the doors. This side, fully open, fantastic. Let's get down. Can you see the texture of the doors here? Love this design, man. Very angular and very awesome to know. Now, before we get to the driver's seat, let's check out the petrol caps that we have right here. So we got your AC, we got your DC, fantastic. When you close up both, it closes up. So really well and really nice indeed. So let's move to the rear of the car. So as you can see, the back part of this car, it has the iX2 together with the xDrive30 displayed right there. You got your BMW badging right here in the center. 360 camera all the way up here. Amazing rear spoiler. Looks really nice. Love how the car has that slope-like design to drop at the back, right? Looks beautiful. Now the lights are designed beautifully here. You got your black finish for the bottom rear diffuser. Very aggressive indeed. These two aggressive rear diffusers. You got your reflectors for your lights, sensors all over the place. Your number plate is located right there. Let's open up the boot. Check that out. Boot space is super huge. You got some net storage right there. First aid kit, I believe. Other cables down here with other storages that you can actually store if you lift it up a little bit more. In fact, there we go. There. Hidden right there. Cool. So let's close that. Let's fold down the rear seats. So for BMW, it's located down here. Let's pull it. Isofix is also available. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing space, amazing space. So now let's fold down the other rear seats that we have for you guys to actually have a look at how it feels. Amazing. So even the center seat, you are able to fold it down, but you got to do it from the other side, I believe. Let me see if it's possible for you to fold this down. Another lever that's happening right here. Okay, man, perhaps it's hidden. Hang on, let me try that again. Oh, cool. Can't seem to find that. But, okay, perhaps I'll figure it out. How do we actually fold the rear seats? But in the meantime, let's take a look at the rear. Check out the space, man, dude. The amount of storage that you guys can actually keep all over the place. Super fantastic, man. Love how much of space this car has. Your warning triangle is located up there. But let's close the boot to show you guys how it looks with the lights turned on in a while more. But before that, let's take a seat at the driver's side. Now, sport pedals. I love how the chrome touches are on the pedals as well, the accelerator and the brake. You got your memory seats located right here, seat adjustment over there. Again, amazing seats that you can feel. The doors, before we get right to it, you got your child lock for the windows. You have your window adjustments, mirror adjustments, side mirror adjustments, window adjustments, side mirror adjustments, folding of the side mirrors, opening up of the boot, compartment storage down here, handle to hold yourself, texture, Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting, door opening, lock, unlock, stitching right here, two-tone finish. Beautiful. Now let's take a seat in the center. I mean, not really in the center, but the driver's seat. Now check out how beautiful the finish is. Now what I love about this, the screen, how it's going straight and then it's angling towards me. And you got your boost button right here for extra power. You got your signal turn indicators right here. You also get your windshield wipers located right here. Your air vent over here. Texture on top here. Head-up display over there. Beautiful finish. Now we have your other cruise control settings, I believe should be on this side. Your other music, your mute, your answering call, volume up, volume down, other settings that you can choose. You get your M badging on the, how to say this, on the bottom part of the wheel, so it looks absolutely fantastic. Love the storage space down here. Such a futuristic, such a futuristic design, man. Love how futuristic it is. So, very cool, man. Very cool. So, let's turn on the lights, shall we? Let's press the word auto, right? Or is it this one right here? We go down to the back part. Let's just see if we can... Aha, there we go. It's already on. So, let's get down to the main and check out the front lights on the outside. Check this out, bro. Check it out, man. These are with the car lights turned on, guys. Now take a look. It looks absolutely beautiful, man, dude. Daytime running lights, daytime running lights. So you got your main headlights right there located. So it's really, really beautiful and super fantastic, man. How the way this car looks at the front is very much aggressive looking. Now, let's check out from the side how it looks like. With the lights angle like that. Can you see? It's a little bit too much of light happening in, but yeah, I believe you guys can capture what I'm seeing. Let's check out the rear, how this looks. Now you got your brake lights hidden somewhere on that side, but you got your turn indicators also integrated inside here. But check out how sporty it looks, man. Reverse light should be right there. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how it looks. Hazard light locator right there. Let's open up the doors. Oh yes, you get your turn indicators right here. But the beautiful part about it is that you got it here and then it cuts off and it continues right here. So nice. Now, the whole two lights switch into the turn indicators. I love how it blinks. If you're here to witness this, you can see how it just changes. It has a very unique way of changing. Kind of cool. I love it, man. Love it. So, let's take a look at the rear to see how the rear part actually looks. As you can see, another light lights up on this side for the turn indicator. Fantastic, man. Beautifully designed. So yeah, let's turn off the lights, turn that off again. Cool, it's already off. So yeah, so that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to Millennium Welt, all the way here in Jalan Kuching, and it's a KL North showroom. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.